Electric vehicles, or EVs, are gaining traction in Saudi Arabia, a country known for its fuel-guzzling cars. Despite the preference for conventional vehicles, EVs are becoming a popular choice for short trips. Hamed al-Rafidain, a Saudi human resources worker, switched to an EV to save money. He spends up to 2,000 riyals, or $530, monthly on fuel for his off-road vehicle. Maintenance costs are also lower, he said. The EV market in Saudi Arabia tripled last year, reaching nearly 800 cars. Chinese EV giant BYD is expected to dominate, while Tesla has no dealerships in the kingdom. Riyadh's traffic jams and pollution are driving interest in EVs. However, the lack of charging infrastructure and Saudi Arabia's vast size make EVs more suitable for short trips. Using an EV for travel outside the city is a gamble, said Rafidain, noting the limited range of current batteries. Saudi Arabia is ramping up domestic EV production. The Sovereign Wealth Fund controls 60% of Lucid and has a deal with Hyundai to establish a plant. The country aims to produce 300,000 EVs annually, targeting carbon neutrality by 2050.